It's so dirty and they don't know how to clean all the pipes.
All the pipes.
Someone got locked here too.
Yeah, someone got locked here also.
All the walls.
Never see anybody.
And this is a mess. We used to walk from here, but now we can't anymore. And all the trashes. Lillian? All the pipes, all spider web. I think spider might be lurking here. And people right here and they don't know how to clean it. All this side. The toilet. There's no water, they're so dirty. All spider webs all around. All those trashes and all we used to stand here for the inside also. All the tub is so dirty. It's so smelly. The ventilation is super dirty. And I can see a big insect there. I can see. Can you see the spider web?
Yeah.
There. Can you see? I think it's sitting there. All the glass.
Main complaints like
Main complaint that the toilet is very dirty. And the water is also dirty. Yeah.
Okay, just choose one person who will speak. Ma. Okay, you say everything.
please be quiet, please be quiet.
The toilet is dirty, there are words on the wall, the locks are broken. The bathroom downstairs, somebody got locked in it because the locks are so rusted and most of them don't even work.
Everything is dirty. Everything is dirty and
The second toilet, right?
yeah. And the basin, there's only one, and there's no lot of water to wash our hands.
Yeah, there's no. And look at the leaves.
It's so dirty. And people used to slip and all that side.
The leaf here.
Leaves, and they don't know how to clean all these grass and all.
Have you ever complained these to your teachers?
Yeah.
Till now, nothing has been done yet.
And I can never see like a Kong or like somebody going in and out of the bathroom. Like I can never see them cleaning. Even after school, when I stay back for basketball, I go for basketball, and like I can never see any like Kongs or like any maids or cleaners like who go in and out.
Look, there's no lock. No.